Anyone?
Hello.
Hello, sir. My
My
name
name is
is
okay. Oh,
Hello? Huh.
Yeah, one by one. Miss Diditi, you can go ahead.
Hello, sir. My name is Diditi Rajendra Ramatkar, and my study center is
Huh.
Late Sainuji Patil Kovase Art and Commerce College, Gadchiroli.
Great. Yeah, Mr. Kaustap.
Gadchiroli.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Kaustap Raut.
Okay, fine.
Mr. Raut, you can go ahead. Mr.
Anyone?
Raut.
Hello sir, myself Mahesh Raut and I am from Amravati. I
थोड़ा
have
speak, loudly speak.
okay. Sir, my name is Mahesh Raut and I am from Amravati. I have enrolled for BAG course with disciplines like political science and sociology, and my study center is Guru Nanak Bhavan, Nagpur.
Thank you. Ravi Tulani. Give your introduction.
रवि जी आपका अनम्यूट करो, आपका माइक
वॉइस नहीं आ रहा है, आपका माइक खोल दो.
हेलो, हाँ हेलो सर.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी, सुना रहे अभी.
हेलो हेलो हाँ सर.
हाँ, बात करिए.
I am Ravindra Phagoji Tulavi, and my study center
हाँ.
is Guru Nanak Bhavan, and my I am a BA student of 2021 July batch.
आप कहाँ से?
Thank you sir.
आप कहाँ से?
Sir, Nagpur sir, Nagpur. I am in Nagpur today. Okay sir.
Hello.
Okay. You are in Nagpur and your study center is Guru Nanak Bhavan. हाँ. रवि तुलानी, आपका बस एक दो आदमी हैं.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
हेलो.
हाँ sir.
हाँ. हाँ.
Yes sir.
आपका बस एक दो आदमी है ना?
सर हम यहाँ ग्रुप में है सर, कम से कम 1 2 3 4.
हाँ, वो लोग भी इधर
सर
कर लिया है तो अच्छा होगा ना. वो भी बोल सकते हैं ना,
मराठी में
वो
बात
लोग
करेंगे,
का.
चलेगा ना सर? मराठी और हिंदी.
हाँ, चलेगा. बोलना है, प्रोग्राम बोलना है, स्टडी सेंटर बोलना है, और क्या चाहिए?
स्टडी सेंटर गडचिरोली नागपूर. तुझा तो कुठे आहे? फार्म कुठे आहे? एक जण फार्म आणायचा, तुमचं फार्म आणा लवकर. ओके सर. लवकर तुझं फार्म लवकर स्टडी सेंटर तू बोलशील लवकर. आय कार्ड वगैरे लवकर. ओके सर.
हाँ, बोलिए. डोंट वेस्ट टाइम. बोलिए.
Hello. Good afternoon, sir.
हाँ, गुड आफ्टरनून. विजय पाल, बोलिए.
Sir, my name is Vijay Pal. My course is BAG. My study center is Anand Kanishk Mahavidyalaya.
हाँ. ये वाईफाई.
And yes, sir. And I am here in County Kent.
हाँ, ठीक है.
Sir, can I speak?
हाँ.
Hello, sir.
ओके, बोलिए.
त्यांना दिसत नाही आता लवकर.
शशांक.
Yes, sir. My name is Shashank. I am currently residing in Kerala. Actually, my hometown is in near Nagpur, so I have taken admission in regional. My regional center is Nagpur, and my study center is Rajiv Gandhi College of Engineering. I am currently in BAG program.
Okay, fine.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Saya Chandal.
I am San Chandale. My program is BAG Economics.
कौन सा स्टडी सेंटर है आपका?
And my study center is Guru Nanak Bhavan.
Okay, fine. Guru Nanak Bhavan, Nagpur. Okay. और कुछ है? सभी इंट्रोडक्शन हो गए ना?
Yes, sir.
No, sir. Myself.
हाँ बोलिए.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself, Siddhant Rupendra Singh Singer. I live in Kutheda. My study center is Late Senuji Patil Kovase Art and Commerce College, Gadchiroi, and my course is BAG Psychology. Thank you, sir.
Okay, fine.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
My name is Vikrant Bavankoe. My hometown is in Nagpur and my regional center is Nagpur only. I currently reside in Odisha, but my study center will be Nagpur only. I have opted for BAG Economics course.
Okay, fine.
Hello.
रवि, और कुछ बात करना है? नया आदमी कौन सा बात करना है?
हेलो, गुड आफ्टरनून सर, मैं पंकज बोल रहा हूँ.
हाँ पंकज बोलिए.
सर, प्रेजेंटली आई एम सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉय. आई ऑप्टेड BAG जनरल स्टडी सेंटर गुरु नानक भवन.
Okay, fine. Okay, almost all over.
हेलो सर.
हाँ, all are over.
हेलो सर.
हाँ.
सर हमारे यहाँ 4 स्टूडेंट है सर.
हाँ.
मैं नाम पढ़ता हूँ सर उनका सभी का.
हाँ बताइए.
उसेंडे रू.
Speak loudly.
सर सेकंड स्टूडेंट है सर कोल्ले विशाखा सीताराम. इनका स्टडी सेंटर है सर लेट सेनुजी पाटिल कोवासे आर्ट एंड कॉमर्स कॉलेज गढ़चिरोली महाराष्ट्र. उसके बाद है सर कोल्ले रेवता सीताराम. इनका स्टडी सेंटर है सर लेट सेनुजी पाटिल कोवासे आर्ट एंड कॉमर्स कॉलेज गढ़चिरोली. फोर्थ है सर तुलावी मेघा रणबीर शाह. इनका स्टडी लेट सेनुजी पाटिल कोवासे आर्ट एंड कॉमर्स कॉलेज गढ़चिरोली महाराष्ट्र. सर हम ग्रुप में पढ़ाई करते हैं सर यहाँ नागपुर में 6 अभी.
अच्छा.
हाँ सर सभी है सर यहाँ पूरे ग्रुप में है हम.
हाँ ठीक है वो भी अच्छा है. ये ग्रुप स्टडी इज आल्सो वेरी रिकमेंडेड. सो आप कुछ डाउट आया तो ग्रुप में डिस्कस कर सकते हैं. ये डिस्टेंस मोड ऑफ एजुकेशन ना, इसके लिए हम लोग भी प्रोग्राम वाइज ग्रुप बनाते हैं. इसके लिए आप भी अच्छा से काम कर रहा है, वो भी चालू कर लिया, अच्छा है. हाँ डॉक्टर शेष कुमार आपका इंट्रोडक्शन दे दीजिए सर.
Yeah, very good afternoon, you all. Myself, Dr. Shashi Kumar, working as assistant dean director there in IGNOU Arts in Nagpur. सर अभी आरडी सर को ज्वाइन किया सर. आरडी सर को
हाँ.
You were requested to invite आरडी सर.
So now I request our regional director, Dr. P. Sivaswarup sir, please give a brief introduction about induction meetings.
Good afternoon, friends.
Good morning sir.
I welcome you all to the fold of
meeting.
इंदिरा गांधी नेशनल ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी. सबसे पहले बधाई हो आप सभी को. आपने एक डिसीजन लिया कि आपका करियर में एजुकेशन में आगे बढ़ने के लिए, और उसके लिए इग्नू को चुना है. इसके लिए धन्यवाद.
और हम आपको ये कहना चाहते हैं कि आपका जो डिसीजन है दैट इज वेरी करेक्ट, क्योंकि आज की डेट में जो इग्नो है इसका तो इंडिया में लगभग 1000 के ऊपर विश्वविद्यालय हैं, उसी में नैक करके एक है वो यूजीसी का, वो ग्रेडिंग देते हैं, सी ग्रेड, बी ग्रेड, ए प्लस, ए डबल प्लस। आपको जानकर खुशी होगी कि इग्नो की जो हाईएस्ट ग्रेड है ये डबल प्लस, वो ग्रेड मिला है। तो पूरा इंडिया में लगभग 8 या 10 यूनिवर्सिटी को ही ये ग्रेड मिला है आउट ऑफ 1000, उसमें इग्नो भी एक है। तो आपको भी खुशी होगी कि आप एक हाई स्टैंडर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशन लिया है। और रिसेंटली गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने इनोवेशन में भी रैंकिंग दिया है, और उसी में हमको खुशी होते है कि इग्नो को फर्स्ट रैंक मिला है उसी में अमंग ऑल दी सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटीज। और इग्नो का जो कोर्सेस है वो दुनिया भर में यूनिवर्सिटीज अडॉप्ट कर लेते हैं। आपको खुशी होगी कि आज की डेट में इग्नो इज द लार्जेस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी इन द वर्ल्ड विथ मोर देन 3 मिलियन स्टूडेंट्स। 35 लाख विद्यार्थी हैं इग्नो में, जो कन्याकुमारी से लेकर कश्मीर तक या अंडमान आइलैंड से लेकर लक्षद्वीप तक, वही नहीं है पूरा दुनिया में फॉरेन कंट्रीज में भी इग्नो का सेंटर्स है। और आपको खुशी होगी कि ये जो बुक्स आपको अभी हमारे किसी ने बोला कि गढ़चिरौली में स्टडी सेंटर है उनका, जो गढ़चिरौली में रवि को मिलता है बुक, वही बुक पूरा दुनिया में हर स्टूडेंट के लिए वही बुक्स मिलता है। इसी से एक कॉन्सेप्ट है जो क्वालिटी एजुकेशन इर्रेस्पेक्टिव ऑफ योर प्लेस ऑफ स्टे। आप गढ़चिरौली में रहे, नागपुर में रहे, मुंबई में रहे, पुणे में रहे, दिल्ली में रहे या दुबई, सिंगापुर, कहीं भी रहे, जो सभी बीएजी स्टूडेंट्स के लिए एक ही सेट ऑफ स्टडी मटेरियल मिलेगा। तो ये एक इंटरनेशनल क्वालिटी का बुक्स है, और ये बुक्स हैं जो इंडिया के बेस्ट एक्सपर्ट्स हैं वो सभी मिलके बैठ के बनाते हैं। यदि आप इंडियन हिस्ट्री देखें, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इंडियन हिस्ट्री का बेस्ट टीचर कलकत्ता यूनिवर्सिटी में है, हम उनसे रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे कि हमारा स्टूडेंट्स के लिए लेसन बनाओ, तो जो अपने क्लास में पढ़ाते थे कलकत्ता में वही लेक्चर को लिखित रूप में इग्नो स्टूडेंट्स के लिए देते हैं। यदि यूरोपियन हिस्ट्री का टीचर मद्रास यूनिवर्सिटी में है, वो भी अपना लेक्चर लिख के आपको देगा। तो इसी हिसाब से आपको कलकत्ता या मद्रास या दिल्ली जाने की जरूरत नहीं है, अपने घर में रह के ही ये सभी एक्सपर्ट टीचर्स का बुक्स आपका घर तक पहुंच जाएगा। इसी को हम इग्नो का राय है क्वालिटी एजुकेशन एट योर डोर स्टेप। ये बुक्स मिल जाते हैं आपको, वो लेक्चर टीचर्स लिखते हैं, हम इसको सेल्फ स्टडी मोड पे बना के आपका घर पर भेजते हैं। और आज का जमाना हो गया है कोविड की टाइम में डिजिटल, हर जगह ऑनलाइन ही हो रहे हैं, तो इग्नो भी ऑनलाइन को अपनाया। और इग्नो बहुत सारी क्लासेस, अदरवाइज ये इंडक्शन मीटिंग है स्टडी सेंटर में होना था, बट ये कोविड की वजह से ऑनलाइन हो रहे, और इसका रिकॉर्डिंग भी हम करेंगे, क्योंकि इसी में लगभग 150 स्टूडेंट्स को हमने इनवाइट किया, अभी तक 40 स्टूडेंट्स अटेंड कर रहे, बाकी को अलग अलग वजह से वो अटेंड नहीं कर पा रहे, इसलिए इसको रिकॉर्डिंग हम करके हमारा फेसबुक और यूट्यूब में भी डाल देंगे। तो कोई भी मिस करेगा अभी, वो बाद में भी उसको देख सकते हैं। वैसे ही हमारा क्लासेस भी ऑनलाइन चल रहे, काउंसलिंग क्लासेस, स्टडी मटेरियल भी ऑनलाइन अवेलेबल है ई ज्ञान कोश में, आप जो भी जरूरत पड़े यूज कर सकते हैं। और आपने एडमिशन भी ऑनलाइन ही लिया है, पहले तो प्रॉस्पेक्टस खरीदना पड़ता था और वो भर के बाई पोस्ट भेजना था वगैरह वगैरह, अभी तो हर चीज ऑनलाइन हो गया है। ऑनलाइन से कुछ सुविधा भी है, कुछ दिक्कतें भी हैं, और जो भी दिक्कतें हैं हम ट्राई करेंगे आपको सॉर्ट आउट करने के लिए। और इसमें एक चीज, कल तो हम मना रहे हैं स्वामी विवेकानंद जी का बर्थडे, उसी को हम मनाते हैं नेशनल यूथ डे के नाम से। तो ये जैसा स्वामी विवेकानंद ने बताया, अराइज अवेक एंड रेस्ट नॉट टिल द गोल इज रीच्ड। आपने एक इंटरेस्ट डिसीजन लिया कि आगे पढ़ने के लिए इग्नो के थ्रू, और आप पढ़ते रहिए बुक्स, हम आप सभी को मदद करेंगे, क्योंकि जो बेसिक आना चाहिए आपके अंदर का जो डिजायर है आगे बढ़ने की, वही आप सस्टेन करना है। और आपको खुशी होगी कि इग्नो में स्टूडेंट्स यंग बच्चे भी नहीं है, हमारे पास 18 साल से लेकर 80 साल तक का लोग पढ़ना चाहते हैं और एडमिशन भी लेते हैं। और अभी अभी एक एडमिशन लिया है, उनका 82 ईयर्स है। वो बोलते हैं सर हमको बचपन से डिजायर है ये कोर्स करने की, नहीं कर पाया, अभी टाइम मिला है तो हम करेंगे। तो कभी ये नहीं सोचना है कि मैं तो बिजी हूं, मैं ये नहीं ये हूं वो हूं, ऐसा नहीं है। सिर्फ आपका इंटरनल डिजायर है, वही आपको ड्राइव करेगा पूरा डिग्री कंप्लीट करने के लिए। और मैं हूं, डॉक्टर वेंकटेश्वरलू है, शशि कुमार है, आपका स्टडी सेंटर स्टाफ है, हर एक आपको मदद करेगा। पढ़ना तो आपको ही है, क्योंकि इग्नो का एग्जाम्स वगैरह के बारे में मेरा कोलिग्स बताएगा आपको। और आप ऑनलाइन रहते रहिए, इग्नो वेबसाइट देखते रहिए, रीजनल सेंटर का भी वेबसाइट है, हमारा यूट्यूब चैनल है, फेसबुक है, ये सभी आप टच में रहिए। और जो भी आपको जरूरत पड़े हम आपको मदद करेंगे। और एक एट द एंड आई वांट टू से, इग्नो में हर प्रोग्राम में एक गोल्ड मेडल मिलता है जो इंडिया में टॉप करते हैं। जब हमने नागपुर में रीजनल सेंटर चालू किया तो स्टूडेंट्स बताया सर नागपुर तो बैकवर्ड है, क्या करेंगे। हमने बोला कि बैकवर्ड की कोई क्वेश्चन ही नहीं होता है, इट इज ओनली योर इंटरनल डिजायर दैट डिसाइड्स। आप जितना जिद से आप पढ़ाई करते हैं वो आप आगे बढ़ सकते हैं। हमारे पास जो स्टूडेंट्स है, गडचिरोली ट्राइबल एरिया है, कुरखेड़ा, कोरची, धानोरा में भी हमारा स्टूडेंट्स है, वो भी 40, 50, 60, 70 साल वाली महिला भी एडमिशन लेके पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं। ठीक, और ये गोल्ड मेडल भी जीत रहे हैं। हर साल इग्नो का, नागपुर का 1 या 2 गोल्ड मेडल्स मिल रहे हैं। तो हमारा उम्मीद ये है कि आप में भी कोई भी गोल्ड मेडल जीतेगा 3 साल बाद कॉन्वोकेशन में। और ये उम्मीद के साथ स्टाफ हियर, मुझे अलग अगर दूसरा मीटिंग है, मेरा कोलिग्स है डॉक्टर वेंकटेश्वर शशि कुमार, वो आपको गाइड करेगा। और आप पूछते रहिए, जो भी आपका प्रश्न चाहे डाउट है पूछते रहिए, वो बताएगा। ठीक है, धन्यवाद। वेंकट,
Okay, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Now I request Dr. Shesh Kumar, please give your information about induction.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, and I thank our President Director also for giving this opportunity to be have a induction meeting now for all the learners who joined as a fresh candidate for BAG program. At the outset, let me also welcome you all to this university and congratulate you for choosing IGNO, because you know that IGNO is the one university which has a national credibility and then international credibility even. We have study centers throughout the country as well as throughout the globe. We have study centers like around 35 overseas centers में हमारा IGNO center तो है, and even entire nation will be having a regional center and study centers wherever you are in the look at every corner of the country will be having a study center. So this is one of the world's largest open university, and on that way you're all choosing a right choice in your life to be joined for your higher studies there in the IGNO. Once again I welcome you all for this 3 years program. You have been joined with us, and you see IGNO, you all know that is open distance education. Open distance education is nothing but you have to be steady from the away from the institute. You will not be having a connection directly with the institution. Mostly you will be having your own priority. You might be an employee, or you might be having a different role playing on your own life, and then apart from that you want to be have your education there in the distance education to be joined with IGNO. So आपको इधर आपका रोल ज्यादा है, मतलब that like in the conventional universities आपके लिए क्या है ना, like you will be going to the class and there you will be getting all the information, और आपके लिए friends मिला उधर, you will be having a friends group will be there, and they will be having a sort of motivation will be there, like you will be motivated by others also to be pursue a program. Whereas here you have to be have your own independent learning, and you have to be you have to have a self-esteem, like you have to be have a desire and to be take it up yourself, and you have to be self-motivated yourself and to be continue your program. That is the difference between the conventional and ODL distance education. इधर आपको ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस आपके लिए है, like you can be study on your own pace and time, like आपको आपके प्लान करके आप स्टडी कर सकते हैं. That is all there. Generally this induction meeting we used to be arranged there in the face-to-face mode में हम arrange करते हैं, बट अभी फेस टू फेस मोड में नहीं है, लाइक पूरा हमको ऑनलाइन में चल रहा है. लाइक when you are being coming to the study center the first time you will be knowing that who are your coordinator, who are the academic officers, faculty members are going to take the classes or who are all joined with you. वो सभी आपको मौका मिलता है वहाँ आपको फेस टू फेस में आने के. But whereas here we will be having little limitations over that also. And however we try to be like maybe the study centers will be creating a WhatsApp group and they may share to you later. Maybe it depends upon the study center. They will be having a WhatsApp group for different disciplines. If not, you can also start a group. Maybe that link can be shared by among yourself. Maybe once you be in touch with the study centers, you come to know about all the issues, all the things, and how you have to study. Like from where you have to be. Like the basic purpose of this induction meeting is to make you to understand the concepts there in the business education. Generally you have to be like see in the regular mode you will be telling that this is a degree, but whereas here we call it as a program and everything will be having with a code. आपको इधर देखने के बाद नहीं कि you will be having a program code also, you might be having it. Generally you will be telling that मैं BA कर रहा है, BA degree कर रहा है ऐसे बोले, like you will be telling that regular mode में. अब इधर नहीं है, इधर you will be telling that BAG, that is a program code. BA general I will call it as a program code will be there, that is BAG, so program code. And under program you will be having different subjects, right? In the conventional universities you will be having subjects. इधर आपको subjects नहीं है, इधर आपको course code बता दूंगा. We will be telling us courses है, ठीक है? Subjects नहीं है, courses है. Each courses will be having a title, course title will be there, and you know that one. It is there in the given over there in the common prospectus, as well as you can also download a program guide which is available there in the website. You can go to it is available there in the eGyan course, or you can directly get the program guide from the Google by entering that BAG plus program guide plus IGNO. If you type it there in the Google, you can find a program guide. There you will get all the information about your program, like your program structure and what are the components are there in the in your studies, when you have to some deadlines, everything, every information will be given over there in the program guide. I humbly suggest all you to download the program guide before you pursue your program there in the IGNO. So this is one thing you have to do it. And second thing what you have to do is that no, you have to be check your registration details. आपको IGNO site में जाने पड़ेगा. आप कहाँ से आपको admission लिया वहाँ आपको जाना है. To IGNO site you have to go to the IGNO site, and then from there you can find a student support. Okay, student zone is there. So once you click the student zone, you can find a registration details. There you can check your registration details. You can know about the courses which have been registered and your name, every information will be there. Every student will be having a home page. You please check your home page. If any corrections to be carried out there on your name, on your surname, please let us know. You send a mail to RC Nagpur with supporting documents. We will verify the document and we will change the name immediately. That is to be done immediately. Maybe in a week or so, you have to be submit that one if you have any corrections over there in the name. So that is one thing you have to do it. And second, you have to be see your addresses will be given over there, and then the courses which have been registered. Though it is a semester-based program, but whereas you will be having exams only in a year. It is annually mode only. You will be having an exam that will become later. So it's a semester-based program. You know about that. Like you are supposed to be choose some disciplines also. You might be opted for a disciplines. Out of 12 disciplines, you might be chosen some discipline based on your interest. And to complete the program, you're supposed to be complete 132 credits. Like if you see that the entire program will be having a 132 credits. Credits is nothing but the study hours. Generally, 1 credit equal to 60 hours. That's the 30 hours. Sorry, 30 hours. 1 credit equal to 30 hours. We used to be calculated. Maybe it may be from the studying the material, or it may be listening, watching the video content now there on the website, or while preparing the assignments. So whatever way you are being giving it, like you are all learning activities, whatever you're doing it for your program will be consists of that 30 study hours. Like maybe one credit equal to 30 study hours, that you have to be keep in mind, and totally you have to complete for this program. The entire 3 years you have to be complete 132 credits. So that is all given over there in the program, and it comes to know from there. आपको वहां से आपको मिल जाएगा. और एक ही बात है, like कौन सा डिसिप्लिन आपको चूज किया अभी. So first semester में आपको कौन सा discipline में choose किया, that discipline you have to be continue for the entire 3 years. And you know that you will be having a maximum period too. So maximum period is 6 years. So that flexibility is given to the learners because almost many of you will be an employee or you will be having your own priority. And that was the reason that the university has given the flexibility that maximum period is given to you all. So 6 years, it is not meant that you have to be complete your program by 6 years. You can complete within 3 years. In any cases you are not able to complete it within 3 years, you have flexibility to be complete within 4 years. No, therefore what I mean to say that don't worry, there is no pressure over here. आपके लिए ज़्यादा pressure नहीं है, आराम से आप कर सकते हैं. Only thing what you need is that steady plan करना पड़ेगा. आपको थोड़ा plan करना पड़ेगा कैसे आपको, because everything is in your hand now. Steady material आपको मिलेगा, you might be received a steady material, whatever you might be received it. Only thing is that you have to be scheduled yourself that how you are going to pursue this program for entire 3 years. That plan, everyone have to do it. Everyone has to do it, that one. That will help you. And you will be having, as I said, that there will be courses. Each courses you will have to submit one assignment at your study center. And the question paper will be available there in the IGNOU website. You can be download the assignment question paper in the IGNOU website, and then you can be start write your assignment responses. And it should be only handwritten, and that has to be submitted at the study center. Okay, this is assignment के लिए आपको एक assignment component है. Evaluation में एक part है वो assignments का. And like before going to the assignments, let me also complete the counseling sessions. Like once you've been joined with attached with study center, you many of you are telling that आपको गुरु नानक भवन है. गुरु नानक भवन एक हमारा स्टडी सेंटर है. Like महिला विद्यालय एक स्टडी सेंटर है. You will be having different study centers. You will be attached with one of the study center which is there in according to your which center you have been opted based on your option. We might be allotted to you. For certain reason, we may also transfer you from one center to other center for academic purposes. Sometimes that will also be we will change the center. If you have been chosen psychology, we will be having only one center there in the region. So you may be transferred to the particular center. That we will take care of it and we will intimate to you. And once we intimate to you, then you will be knowing that which is your study center. Like you will be having a permanent study center, and study center code also will be there. So that you have to be understand. That you have to be understand it. And yes, you have to be attached to the study center, and then you will be knowing that later part there the counseling schedule will be prepared by the study center. Counseling schedule is nothing but the timetable. आपको क्लासेस के लिए काउंसलिंग शेड्यूल बनाते हैं वो आपको मेल में भेजूंगा. अदरवाइज वी विल आल्सो अपलोड इट देयर इन द वेबसाइट. आरसी नागपुर वेबसाइट है, वहां आपको मिल जाएगा, वहां से आपको चेक कर सकते था. Always you be in touch with you follow the Facebook, RC Nagpur Facebook, and RC also having a Twitter page, also having a Telegram group. You also join there the RC Telegram group. Therefore, you will get an updated information over there. Apart from that, you are also requested to be always keep watch our RC Nagpur website to know your counseling schedule, to know to get the updated information. So ये है आपके काउंसलिंग. आपको अभी ऑनलाइन में चल रहे, सभी पूरा कोर्सेस आपको ऑनलाइन में चल रहे हैं. ऑनलाइन इट इज वी आर आल्सो शेड्यूलिंग ओवर हियर, एंड यू आल्सो हैव ए ऑप्शन टू अटेंड द काउंसलिंग सेशंस ऑफ डिफरेंट रीजनल सेंटर्स. आपको इधर एक क्लास मिस हो गया, आपको नहीं अटेंड किया था, यू माइट बी बिजी विद सम अदर वर्क, therefore you are not attend the class. What you can do, you can even go through other regional center website. Their counseling schedule might be uploaded over there. If your counseling for your particular course is taking place over there, you can be joined over there. That is also another option for you. And apart from that, IGNOU faculty, we have the programs are offering from IGNOU school. We have 21 schools from headquarters. They are also having the classes through online. They will be having a YouTube channel. There also you can see IGNOU Help. There is a YouTube channel is there. There also you can get that. You can also follow IGNOU Facebook page. There also you can be get the many classes have been taking place over the Facebook also. So you just be now you just whatever digital way you have been having it on your mobile or whatever the like link which you are having it, try to be subscribe it, and therefore you will be getting notification, and then you just follow the social media platform. Therefore you will get an updated information over there also. And video contents are available there in the eGyan course. वहाँ से आपको if you want to be watch videos of video lectures. You can get it there in the e-guide course. There also you can be make use of it. So this is what about the counseling is now. Counseling will be scheduled now by this month end. We are planning to be prepare a counseling schedule sent to you. If you in case now you are not, if you have any problem there, your email ID please that also be changed it now immediately. Therefore, you will get the, if you want to change the email ID, you will get the information through mail only. That is one thing. And assignments के बुझाते हैं हम एक assignment एक कोर्स के लिए आपको एक assignment जमा करना पड़ेगा, आपको study center में जमा करना पड़ेगा. It is to be only handwritten. You have to be write on your own. Generally, the assignments like you read the material step by step, and then it's like easy to be understand. It's unit wise. आपको step by step go through the material. You will be understanding it, and based on the questions, assignment questions, whatever assignment questions are given over there, start write the assignment responses based on the questions like whatever given over there. आपके खुद से लिखना पड़ेगा. It is not that just copying and then put like replacing it over there and the assignment responses. वो आपके ऐसे लिखने के बाद आपको mark नहीं मिलेगा. Generally the evaluators will see look into that whether you have understand the concept or not. वो देखते हैं वो आपको concept understand है, आपको you presenting it well, then you will be scoring higher marks over there in assignments. And from assignments you will be getting around the 30% weightage also. 30% weightage you will be getting from assignment. And 70% marks weightage you'll be getting from the term end examination. Term end examination is the final exam year of 1 year. Like once you complete your term end, that your term end will be after 1 year. July 2021 में आपको admission हुआ था. Therefore, your first year will be over by June 2022. आपको first term will be over by June 2022. ये term होने के बाद आपको कितने समय आपको exam दे सकते हैं, देना है, दे सकते हैं आप. मतलब IGNOU conducted exams twice in a year, one in June and next one is December. जून में आपको पहले एग्जाम देना पड़ेगा, फर्स्ट ईयर एग्जाम जून में देना पड़ेगा. If you are not able to give your exam by June 2022, you can give your exam by December 2022 of your first year courses. Then second year you have to give your exam by June 2023. June 2024 में आपको third year खत्म हो जाएगा. So this is what the 3 year का आपको प्लान करना है. And for 3 months before your examination, that means that June का महीने मार्च में आपको एग्जाम के लिए अप्लाई करने पड़ेगा. You have to be apply in the month of March. Keep it, remember that March and September in your mind. So March you have to submit your assignment at the study center, and March you have to be apply for the examination. For first year examination you have to be applied there in the month of March 2022, and second year examination March 23 में अप्लाई करने था. थर्ड ईयर मार्च 24 में अप्लाई करना है ईयर वाइज के लिए. ठीक है. इन केस इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू बी गिव योर एग्जाम बाय फर्स्ट ईयर बाय जून, यू कैन गिव योर एग्जाम बाय सितंबर, यू कैन बी गिव योर एग्जाम बाय दिसंबर 2022 एज आई सेड. सो कब अप्लाई करना है उसको, सितंबर में अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. 3 महीने के पहले आपको अप्लाई एग्जाम के लिए अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. ये कहां से अप्लाई करना है, आपको IGNOU साइट पे जाना पड़ेगा, वहां आपको अप्लाई करना है. सो ऑल द इंफॉर्मेशन विल बी अवेलेबल देयर इन द IGNOU वेबसाइट. You can be find out there. You have to be apply for examination in the month of March and submit your assignment in the month of March at your study center. Keep it in mind. अब दूसरा क्या करना है, आपको री रजिस्ट्रेशन करना पड़ेगा सेकेंड ईयर के लिए. अभी आप फर्स्ट ईयर के लिए फ्रेश एडमिशन लिया था, आपको फर्स्ट ईयर एडमिशन हुआ, सेकेंड ईयर आपको री रजिस्ट्रेशन है. री रजिस्ट्रेशन कब करना है, आपको अप्रैल में करना है. कमिंग अप्रैल 2022 में आपको सेकेंड ईयर के लिए री रजिस्ट्रेशन करना पड़ेगा. टू रिटेन योरसेल्फ देयर इन द स्टडीज, you have to go for re-registration of second year there in April 2022 for your second year, and third year April 2023 में आपको second year के लिए, third year के लिए करने पड़ेगा. So this is what you have to do there in system to be written yourself. Okay, and you have lot of flexibilities. आपको study center में एग्जाम कहाँ भी आपको देना है आप दे सकते हैं. entire country में आपको एग्जाम दे सकते हैं. If you are there in Mumbai or in Gadchiroli, you can choose the exam centers there in Gadchiroli and then give your exam there in Gadchiroli. Or if you are in Mumbai, you can choose the regional center, Mumbai regional center, for your regional center code as given as same Mumbai regional center. And the exam center कहाँ वहाँ आपको कहाँ नजदीक है, वहाँ choose करके आपके exam वहाँ दे सकते हैं. So that flexibility is also available to you. And in case if you are permanently transferring from one state to other state, in that case you can also transfer your regional center from Nagpur to different wherever you are going. That flexibility is also given to you. It is all up to you that like every flexibility is given over there. आपको किसी कुछ information चाहिए, you can be send it to the regional center. We'll guide you. If you have any doubts or something you want to be clarified, you can send a mail to rcnagpur@ignou. Please note down your email ID. That will help you. Or even you can be have a touch with the study center. They will also support you for your academic के लिए. वो आपको क्या counseling के लिए चाहिए, counseling के बारे में आपको पूछना है, you can be talk to your study center. They will be informing you about the counseling schedule and all the information so you will be getting over there. And also you can be get the academic counselors list of academic counselors there for your discipline. उनको नंबर से ले सकते हैं आप, उनके बात कर सकते हैं. आपको कुछ डाउट है now, abhi all are now that also open to you all, that you can be talk to the academic counselors if you have any doubts. Like you can start your own group like Mr. Ravi. I was really very appreciative, Mr. Ravi, that you have been having students from Gadchiroli, and then I don't know, you are guiding it. Let me talk to you also, and I really appreciate you. ऐसे आदमी हमको ग्रुप में आपको मिला, like you will be having even आपको WhatsApp ग्रुप बना सकते हैं, वहां आपको डिस्कस कर सकते हैं. Whatever you are discussed, you can be sharing there in the WhatsApp group. Therefore, you will be having a learning on your अच्छा आपको learn कर सकता है. That option is also given over there. That option is also there. ऐसे आपको पढ़ सकते था. So whatever doubts, whatever you want support from us, we are here to help you. Definitely we will help you, and you please drop a mail to us to RC Nagpur. Whenever you are communicating to the university, आपको तीन आपको माइंड में रखना पड़ेगा. आपका नाम, एनरोलमेंट नंबर, आपका प्रोग्राम कोड. एनरोलमेंट नंबर आपको मालूम है, 10 डिजिट एनरोलमेंट नंबर दिया आपको, वो आईडी कार्ड में है. होप सभी आईडी कार्ड डाउनलोड, मे बी everyone might be download the ID card. In case if you are not download the ID card, you please download it. Or if you have any, that's it, Ravi. If you have any problem there to download your ID card, let us know. Please send a mail to us. We will download and send to you. And there you can see your enrollment number, 10-digit enrollment number, and your program code and your issues. These three only आपको enrollment number और program code आप लिखने के बाद हमको समझ में आ जाएगा, आपका background will get it. And if you write your issues, then we will try to be solve it easily. So no need to be write like a essay and all. It's like a simple thing. You can write that if you are not receiving study material, so and so, my enrollment number is so and so, and my program is so and so. I didn't receive my study material. Kindly send the study material. I say आपको लिख सकते था. We will try to sort out the issues. So maximum we get the reply immediately. You just have a follow up. If you, what feedback आपको कुछ देना है हमको, आपको studies में कुछ problem है, आप open है, हमारा साथ आप share कर सकते हैं sir. You are feel free to be share with us. Therefore, we will try to be find a solution, and we will try to be sort out the help. We will try to be help you. And I thank you. All the best for all for your studies. Now I thank each one of you for joining with us for this induction meeting. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving your information about IGNOU and induction meeting. So I am very much thankful to you, sir. So now I want to.
I have a doubt.
We have doubts. We will have it. Definitely, we will be giving chance to all the learners. Let him complete it. We will be having a question hour sessions after the session is over. That time we can clarify all your doubts. Until you be patient and then listen from you. Thank you.
Oh, okay, sir. Thank you very much. So the time is done for me. So I want to explain about the induction meeting. So sir was already covered all the important points. So I am also touch upon some of the important points. So one is about IGNOU, and another one is admissions. Third one is consultations. Fourth one is assignments. So fourth one is assignments, and fifth one is terminal examinations, and sixth one is re-registration, and other important aspects we need to
explain. So I want to present my PPT also in this regard. So this is also one of the best opportunity to know about the induction meeting. So what is the importance of induction meeting in ODL system? That is also very, very important. So you people are coming convention mode of education. So now you got the admission into distance mode of education. So the convention mode of education is not available due to pandemic situation. That is the reason. So everyone ready to take up the admission into distance mode of education only. So or online mode of education. So distance mode or online mode, that both are same maybe. So the pandemic situation is taken place. That is the reason we try to provide all the information about induction meeting, counseling sessions, and practical sessions, and other activities also in the online mode. So that is the reason this induction meeting also we conduct only online mode. So the pandemic situation may be removed from the society. Automatically, we will offer all the activities through offline mode. That means face-to-face mode. So face-to-face mode, you need to come to the study center and you need to sit in front of the lecturer, maybe counselor. They will discuss with each and every points. That means, so some of the sessions may be taken in the offline mode. That means, so only 10 counseling sessions may be taken place for induction meeting also. We will conduct only offline mode. So that is the reason. So offline also available after removing of this pandemic situation. So for the pandemic situation, so every day we see through TV news, nearly 2 lakhs people affected for every day. So this is the third wave of corona. So we are unable to do the offline mode of activities. That is the reason. So the consultations also conducted through only online mode, and practical sessions also online mode. So the exams are conducted only offline mode. So the December session exams already postponed. So earlier it was declared in the month of January 20 to February 23rd. That was also extended, and it was not declared when it will be taking place. So that is the reason. The pandemic situation, we are unable to do any offline activities. So I want to explain about IGNOU. So IGNOU was started in the year of 1985 with our beloved Prime Minister, Mr. Rajiv Gandhi, in her mother's name, Srimati Indira Gandhi. So at that time we have only two programs. One is diploma and distance education, and another one is mathematics diploma. So both programs may be conducted, and nearly 600 learners was joined. Through that, now the IGNOU programs, nearly 241 programs offered for both sessions. So one is January session and another one is July session. Already you have joined July 21 session. So the July session learners will be appeared
for the examinations in the month of June 2022. So July to June, almost 1 year. So after 1 year, you may be allowed to appear the terminal examinations. That is the reason you need to do the terminal examinations, as well as you need to re-register for second year. So IGNOU nearly 241 programs offered. According to that, we have nearly 48,000 academic counselors, 68 regional centers, and nearly 3,000 study centers. We are offering Hindi and English mediums, both programs, Hindi and English medium, only national and international languages already provided that programs. So English medium, Hindi medium, only two mediums. So our regional director already explained. So in Marathi medium also the concentrations taken. So you may be joined or not, I don't know. So that initiation already taken place, and the Marathi medium concentrations also conducted by IGNOU headquarters. So that is the reason. So this is our IGNOU strength. So we have nearly 35 study centers in abroad also. So this is one of the mega university and one of the best university. Recently we got NAC A double plus. NAC A double plus means so this is one of the highest rank. So in our India, nearly 1,000 universities are so available. So only 4 or 5 universities are got the NAC A double plus grade. That means how much quality we try to provide to the learners and what are the standards we need to maintain. So you think over that. A double plus is the highest rank issued by the NAC committee. Only 4 or 5 universities already got the NAC A double plus grade. Recently, Atal Bihari Vajpayee Innovation Club first rank also given to the IGNOU. So, how much innovations taken place and what type of research we need to take up, you think over that. Now we are joined a international university. It is equal to. Okay, so many international universities also. They are also come forward and they are also take the study material. So IGNOU English medium material is very, very standard, and Hindi medium also same standard. So many experts who are lived in our India, they are invited and their lectures may be converted into lesson plan. Then the lesson plan will take nearly 6 months for a chapter. One lesson or one chapter may be written within 6 months. That means how much standard they want to protect in the study material. So each and every lesson prepared by eminent scholars or renowned professors, they want to convert their daily lectures into written form. Then after the study board, every school is have the editorial board. the editorial board will be edited nearly 4 or 5 times. After that, the material will be goes to the language experts. That language experts also remove the odd words and hard content. They try to simplify each and every content. After that, they incorporated easy words. What is the standards? Have the students that standard they need to incorporate. After that, easy words, simple words, they try to incorporate it. Then only the study material will be prepared by experts that should be edited by editorial board. The language experts also edited and they try to incorporate easy words. Then the soft copy of material goes to the printer. The printer also will take care and what are the miss pages or unprinted pages, double print pages removed. After that, the material will be go to the MPDD. That means material production and distribution division. That division is have the IGNOU. That division have the registrar. The registrar will take in place for distribution of material through your postal address. What are the address given by learner at the time of admission? That address may be reached by your study material. That means a high quality material will be provided by IGNOU at your doorstep. You need to receive the material from your postal department. Then after you need to open the material. Don't keep in Almara or Attica, whatever it is. Just you need to open each and every blank, each and every course. You need to open the material. After that, you need to read out entire material thoroughly. Then after, you need to use these two margins of page. Each and every page is have the two margins. One side you need to note down some of the doubts or ununderstood content in the particular page. After that, you need to read out thoroughly. Then what is the gist or what is the idea? What is the entire page meaning? You note down one by one. Point wise, you need to note down in your own notes. Then only the one side gist or idea or main topics of that particular page. It should be very much useful for preparation of your assignments as well as your term and examinations. Once you do that, automatically you will know about the subject and you need not translate again. You need not read out that material. Just what are the points you may cover, that should be written in one side margin. And second side, what are the ununderstood content or what are the doubts with that particular page, then you need to note down. These doubts or ununderstood content should be asked at the time of online counseling or offline counseling. So we are conducting only online counseling due to pandemic situation. That is the reason whenever the online counseling sessions will be conducted by your study center, then only you need to interact with them. They also try to provide the counseling schedule as well as the Google Meet link also. After that, you need to interact with the counselors. Then you need to ask the doubts. One doubt can be asked by anyone. That should be covered all the learners. All the learners will know about the doubts and the clarification given by academic counselor, that is also known about the all the learners. Once you participate any debate, automatically you are remembering the entire content. That is the beauty of debate. You never forgot. You need to note down some of the important points. Then only you will complete your program within a minimum duration. That is one of the best opportunity. You try to utilize that material. That material was written by renowned professors, so-called professors. So you need not copy from the material for preparation of assignments. So you need not copy from the material. That material already written by renowned scholars, professors, 30 years of experienced people were written that material. If you copy from that, automatically you don't have any worth. The same copy method means that material will be put in your notes, and after that you submit it. What is the worth? What you learn? Just you think over that. You try to understand. After that, you try to prepare with your own words, with your own sentence. Whenever the assignment preparation will be taken place, at that time you need to follow the same instructions and you need to write all the questions with your own words. That is very, very effective. The evaluator will be attracted by that answer, then they will give 30 out of 30 marks. If you copy from the material, automatically the evaluator will be knowing the situation and this material will be copied by you or some others assignments also copied by you and some internet material also copied by you. You don't have any worth. Copy paste method was followed. Then the evaluator will be given 0 marks. That is the problem. Try to understand and you need to make your own sentences. When you try to read out entire material, you need to check up each and every para or page. Then you need to use the margins. That margins will help you thoroughly. You will be get the 30 out of 30 marks. That experience is very, very useful for your preparation of term and examinations. Once you follow that thing, automatically the same step will be carried forward and you try to read thoroughly that your own words will be useful for preparation of term and examinations. The same answer will be written in the term and examination. So you will get good marks. That is easily attracted by evaluator. Then only you will get 30 out of 30, that is within your hand, and the remaining 70% will be conducted in the month of in the form of term and examinations. Then only you will get the good marks. So the according to term and examinations, my presentation will send to you. So these are the presentation. So PPTs. So I try to complete my own words. So need not follow that. So this is assignment, and I was already covered that admissions and assignments and material, and I wanted to explain about the term and examinations. That is also very, very important. 70% weightage will be given to the term and examinations. So at the time of term and examinations, you need to follow the same instructions, same method. once you prepare the material, assignments, automatically you will got some experience. That experience you need to follow up, then you try to prepare term and examinations. So the 70% marks will given to the term and examinations. The examiner may be asked questions each and every corner of the subject, so we cannot expect any questions. Some of the questions may be expected, so the examiner also have some instructions, so they will follow average, middle and clevers. These three type of questions they may be asked. Average questions, anyone can write that answer. And middle class means they try to give the answer with studying well and writing well. They want to read out thoroughly. After that, they need to write thoroughly. Then only they will get the marks. That is middle class. So the average people can read out thoroughly. Then only they will achieve the questions. So the middle class people will also try to get first class. And clever students, they will try to give all the questions and all the answers. They will pass. That is not a big issue. The clever students means one time reading, one time writing is enough. Then automatically they will remember the questions and answers, and they easily give the answers. They will get automatically good marks. Their rank will be first class, above first class, or distinction and above distinction. So my bother about average student and middle class students. The average student cannot give all the questions. In the 70% marks given to the term and examinations, for that 50% you may be expected, and you need to get 50% marks from the term and examinations. That means 70 out of 50 means 35 marks you may be give the answers and you will get the marks. Remaining 30 marks or 30% of assignment marks will be given to the assignment component. That assignment component will be prepared by you with your own sentence or with your own words. Then only you will achieve 30 out of 30 marks. 30 marks within your hand, and remaining 50% means 35 marks. Both will be added, and altogether you will get 65 marks out of 100. That means automatically you are first class. You are first class. So your result is first class. If you try and read out thoroughly and write in thoroughly, after that your marks will be comes distinction or higher distinction. So 60%, 70%, 80% commonly we see. So that is the beauty of distance mode of education. 30% marks you try to get it with assignments. For preparation of assignment is very, very easy. Once you prepare the assignment question paper answers and you show your academic counselor, this is the rough answer. I have prepared my own sentence and own words. So is there any corrections? Is there any guidelines? Is there any language mistakes? Please see and tell me. I try to improve myself. You try to ask your academic counselor. Then only you will get good suggestions, good interaction with your counselor, and they try to give some tips. After that, you know to get good marks. So that is the very useful method. After that, you try to fair it and you can submit in a time bound manner. Time bound manner means that is a deadline. 31st March is the deadline for submission of assignments for your batch. So you belongs to July session 21, then automatically you are eligible for term and examinations in the month of June 22. That purpose you need to assignment, prepare the assignment and submit on or before 31st March. At the same time, you need to complete another 2 tasks. One is assignment submission. Second one is re-registration for second year. In the convention mode or regular mode, you need not apply for the second year and third year, whatever it is. So you need to apply re-registration through online mode. You need to pay your second year fees through that. Then only you will carry forward for second year. And third task, you need to apply for the term and examination application. That is also online. Each and every page, every paper, you need to pay 200 rupees and multiply how many courses with you. Just 5 or 6 courses multiply by 200 and 1000 or 1200 maybe come around. After that you pay through online mode or payment gateways. That means internet bank and credit card, debit card. These are the 3 options through online. So you need to do that. So the online application is also very important. Otherwise you are not appear the term and examinations. These 3 important tasks you need to complete within 31st March. One is registration, second one is submission of assignments, and third one is what is the third one? Term and examination application. These 3 tasks you need to complete. Then only your candidature will be carried forward and your result will be declared by IGNOU SCD section.
Okay, sir.
SCD section means student evaluation division. They will declare within 45 days your result will be declared. That result will come first class or year first class or distinction or above distinction. That is my intention, my main theme. So you need to follow all the instructions and you need to get good marks and good results. Thank you one and all for giving this opportunity. Only remaining 15 minutes left over. So the session is open for the discussion. So if you have any doubts, then you try to ask, then we will explain. So for the 1 second I want to explain. So you have one flexibility, that is one unique feature. Wherever you want to appear the term and examination, you can appear. That unique feature is available. So your result center is Nagpur. Tomorrow at the time of examinations, you may be transferred in any other place. Automatically you need to appear the term and examinations. Just you can fill the particular regional center and particular study center, exam center code, automatically you will get the all ticket. And at the time of examination, if you have any important work in another place, you belongs to Nagpur, you have the work in Chennai or Delhi or Kolkata, then you need to go and attend your work. After that, you need to ask the permission for appearing of term and examination in particular regional center. Then they will search question paper, and after that the question paper is available, you will be permitted for appearing the term and examinations. So throughout India, whenever or wherever you want to appear the term and examination, that is available, you need to use. Thank you one and all. So this session is open for the discussion. So we will send this PPT to you. So your mail ID with us, we will send it. There is no big issue. You can ask. Shashi sir, please open your mic and interact with the learners.
Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
let us if
Boli.
you have any doubts to be clarified, you can clarify your doubts now.
Yeah, I have a doubt that मैंने अभी अप्लाई किया था ऑनलाइन स्टडी मटेरियल के लिए, लेकिन मुझे उसमें कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है।
आवाज नहीं है, बारीक से थोड़ा लाउड में।
हाँ, मैंने ऑनलाइन स्टडी मटेरियल के लिए अप्लाई किया था, लेकिन उसमें मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, तो मैं स्टडी मटेरियल मंगा सकता हूँ दोबारा?
If you have been opted for soft copy of the study material, you have to download the materials from the eGAN course.
So I'm not able to study that material. That is the reason I'm asking for the soft copies. Sorry, hard copies.
No, hard copy you will not get. Once you opted a soft copy, you will not get a hard copy.
But I can purchase now.
Yeah, you can purchase. You have to be, for that you have to be approach IGNOU MPD.
IGNOU?
IGNOU MPDD.
Okay, from where I got that?
IGNOU, आपको IGNOU साइट में आप जा सकते हैं, वहाँ MPDD है.
हाँ.
उसका एड्रेस तो है, वहाँ आप just contact them and you can contact them and get purchase.
Okay, thank you sir.
Yes, yes.
And एक one more question that जब ऑनलाइन क्लासेस रहेंगे उसका नोटिफिकेशन हमें कैसे मिलेगा? ऑन मेल और टेलीग्राम और व्हाट्सएप?
On mail and Telegram also will be sharing it, and then we are also been uploading there in the IGNOU website. RC Nagpur website हम upload कर रहे हैं.
Okay sir, thank you.
Yes, yes.
हेलो सर.
हाँ जी.
सर मैंने स्टडी मटेरियल के लिए वो किया था हार्ड कॉपीज के लिए, लेकिन वो अभी तक आया नहीं सर.
कौन सा मटेरियल?
यस सर, स्टडी मटेरियल हार्ड कॉपी सर.
मटेरियल आपके लिए नहीं मिला. You just send a mail to Registrar MPDD. I send a mail there in the chat box. Send a mail to Registrar MPDD by stating that you have joined for a program there in July 2021. Whereas I have not received study material so far. You can write a mail to them. Please do write your name, enrollment number and program code.
Okay sir.
Yes.
हेलो सर.
जी आनंद जी बताइए.
अरे सब्जेक्ट वाइज क्लासेस कब होंगे? सब्जेक्ट वाइज क्लासेस कब होंगे?
क्लासेस अभी 2 हफ्ते में आपको शुरू होने की, बट वी विल बी बाय दिस मंथ एंड वी प्रोबेबली विल स्टार्ट द क्लासेस.
सर उसके नोटिफिकेशन कैसे आएंगे सर?
तो नोटिफिकेशन आपको मेल में आ जाएगा. आपको विल सेंड द शेड्यूल टू यू ऑन योर मेल, रजिस्टर्ड ईमेल.
ओके सर, थैंक यू.
हेलो सर. हेलो
जी बताइए.
मैं सर ये पूछ रहा था कि बीएजी प्रोग्राम का जो एग्जाम है एनुअल होगा या सेमेस्टर सिस्टम से होगा?
नहीं, वो सेमेस्टर प्रोग्राम बट एग्जाम एनुअल है.
हेलो,
एग्जाम विल बी
एनुअली?
यस यस.
अच्छा, ये मतलब सेमेस्टर वाइज नहीं होगा ना?
सेमेस्टर वाइज नहीं.
अच्छा अच्छा. और मेरे को अभी सिर्फ मुझे मैथमेटिक्स का स्टडी मटेरियल मिला है और हिस्ट्री का मिला है. मैं मैथमेटिक्स ऑप्ट किया हूँ
जी.
तो बाकी मटेरियल आएगा ना बाय पोस्ट?
आएगा. समय लगेगा, आएगा.
अच्छा.
डोंट वेट फॉर द हार्ड कॉपी. यू स्टार्ट रीडिंग स्टडी मटेरियल फॉर सॉफ्ट कॉपी. आपका पे आपको अवेलेबल है, वो
आवाज नहीं आ रही थी.
एंड यू विल रिसीव योर हार्ड कॉपी.
आवाज क्लियर नहीं आई सर।
You will be receiving a hard copy. Don't wait for a hard copy. You can download the study material, a soft copy from the e-exam course, and start read.
अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है सर, ओके थैंक यू थैंक यू।
Yes. Someone else wants to be asked something.
Yeah, excuse me, sir.
Please, sir.
So actually, I wanted to ask that in some assignments which are given, like for example in economics, within one PDF there is assignment 1, 2, and 3. So you have to submit all of them by the given date.
No, if you see the question paper, if it is given assignment 1, 2, 3, and then in that case you have to submit like all the three assignments.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. And so actually in the PDFs, the last date is given to be 30th April. So we have to be
30th April of 2022.
Yeah.
Then that question is valid for you.
Okay, so by 30th April only, na?
Yes.
Okay, fine.
See, how do you have to ensure your date of submission? How do the question is valid for you? By seeing the date of submission only. If the date of submission is mentioned as 31st March 2022, then that question is valid for you.
हेलो सर।
हेलो
जी विक्रांत जी बताइए।
sir, in BAG economics some courses are not in available in eGAM course, like English communication skills or selection from Indian writing cultural diversity or English at workplace.
See, if it's very difficult to get the material by seeing going through the program wise, what you can be do just type the course code plus if you type like that, you can get it there in Google.
Sorry sir, your voice is not clear, please repeat.
What I'm telling that in case you are not able to find the material there in the e-can course.
sir.
आप क्या कर सकते हैं आप जी?
All requested to go for the mute. Then only the clarity will come. Otherwise, it is not come clarity. So try to understand what you need to do one by one. You try to open your mic. After that, you can ask the questions. Don't confuse. You go for the mute only. Once you want to talk, then you try to open the mic. After that, you can talk. Okay. Otherwise, it is very problematic to others. So, what are the questions asked by the learner and what are the answers given to the learner? You never understood. So, little bit clumsy. That is very, very problematic. Go for the silence mode and mute mode. Then only one can open and you try to. Please, sir, carry on.
Yeah, yes, like maybe others can also be. आपको कुछ सवाल पूछना है पूछ सकते हैं आप अभी।
Hello sir.
जी शशांक जी
Hello
बताइए।
sir. Yes sir, actually it's been 6 months that study material is not received and you just told now that you can write an email to register or something. Can you just repeat that?
Do one thing, send a copy to RC Nagpur. We will see that it materials are available with us. Like आप कहाँ से जी?
सर मैं केरला में रिसाइड कर रहा हूँ, मेरा होम टाउन नागपुर के पास है।
नहीं, आपका होम टाउन एड्रेस कौन सा एड्रेस दिया था आप?
मैंने केरला का एड्रेस दिया था।
ठीक है, वहाँ आपको पूछना पड़ेगा। Like see, the material might be gone to your Kerala address.
Yeah sir, I am in Kerala just now.
Okay, have you checked over there?
Actually no, I check on the Google in the study material
आपको
status.
dispatch status पे check किया था?
Yeah sir, it is showing 0 something. No date is showing. It is 00 sir. All the.
ये काम करो, हमको एक मेल भेजना पड़ेगा, आपको हम चेक करके बता दूंगा आपको।
Okay sir, can you just email what is the
rcnagpur@ignou.ac.in.
Okay.
Generally, study materials will be dispatched to the registered postal address. आपको कौन सा पोस्टल एड्रेस दिया, वहाँ उसी एड्रेस को आपको लाइक भेजूंगा वो मटेरियल दिल्ली से।
ओके सर, अभी आपको मेल लिखना है ना अभी?
हाँ, एक बार आपको लिखिए, हम चेक कर सकते हैं। आपको एनरोलमेंट नंबर चाहिए, आपको प्रोग्राम कोड चाहिए, कौन सा कोर्स के लिए आपको मटेरियल मिला वो तो लिखना पड़ेगा। इन केस
on not all the means
Yeah. Okay. TK,
zero material received.
Can
No
you
course.
tell that I have not received any material for my registered courses? I say लिख सकते हैं आप.
Okay.
जी.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
जी. Anyone else like to be ask something? आपको
Sir,
सवाल अभी पूछ सकते हैं.
सर
आनंद
हेलो
जी. Yes.
सर कोई भी है जैसे एमपीएससी वगैरह के लिए डिग्री वैलिड है ना?
हाँ जी. This degree is valid throughout the it's in international valid certificate valid है. सभी recognition आपको
any government exam and job.
No issue. You IGNOU degrees are recognized. It's Central University.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Sir, can we get the Telegram channel number?
Telegram, maybe if Rajesh is there, you can be Rajesh, Mr. Rajesh.
Yes, sir.
हम बता दूंगा आपको. अभी put in the chat box हमको डाल सकते हैं. We will share the information in the chat box.
Hello, Rajesh. Please, the Telegram number in the chat box. Rajesh है?
Hello.
हाँ राजेश. Friends, Telegram number is display in the chat box. राजेश टाइप करेगा, आप बाद में नोट कर लिए. You need not worry about the Telegram number. We will send it through mail also. That is not a big issue. So you can carry what are the questions with you. We are ready to give the answer. Please do it. Any more questions?
हेलो सर.
हेलो
सर.
पंकज जी बोलिए. हेलो
जी सर, मुझे असाइनमेंट के बारे में पूछना था कि असाइनमेंट सिंपल पेपर पे लिख के दे सकते हैं ना?
हाँ लिख सकते.
लाइक नोटबुक पेज.
आप रूल पेपर चाहिए तो रूल पेपर, नहीं तो अनरूल पेपर चाहिए तो अनरूल पेपर. आपका राइटिंग मॉडल कैसा है तो वैसा करना है. ये थोड़ा सीधा लिखने के लिए तकलीफ आया है तो आप क्या करना है, ये रूल पेपर यूज करना है. आपको तकलीफ नहीं है तो अनरूल पेपर या व्हाइट पेपर यूज कर सकते हैं, A4 साइज पेपर. एंड आफ्टर दैट, आफ्टर लिखने के बाद क्या करना है, ये स्पाइरल करना है, वो जमा करना है.
जी सर.
आपका क्वेश्चन पेपर भी इसमें अटैच करना है. ये असाइनमेंट क्वेश्चन पेपर वो असाइनमेंट में जमा करना है. उसमें एवेल्यूएशन का पेपर भी रहता है, ये इग्नो वेबसाइट से डाउनलोड करना है. या आपको असाइनमेंट सेक्शन में आप पहले पेपर मिलता है, वो भी डाउनलोड करके उसमें ऐड करना है. ठीक है. ये आपका ऑनलाइन पेपर नहीं चाहिए. अभी है तो ऑफलाइन चल रहा है. ऑफलाइन का असाइनमेंट लिख के ऑफलाइन में आप जाके स्टडी सेंटर में जमा कर सकते हैं, नहीं तो उसमें भेज सकते हैं.
जी सर.
रजिस्टर पोस्ट करना है, नहीं तो स्पीड पोस्ट करना है. सादा पोस्ट कर रहे हैं तो आपको अपॉइंटमेंट नहीं मिलेगा. ये पोस्टल वाला सिक्योरिटी दे देगा. सिक्योरिटी वाला कहाँ रखते हैं मालूम नहीं. एक्नॉलेजमेंट नहीं तो आपको दिक्कत आएगा. ये रजिस्टर पोस्ट कर दो, नहीं तो स्पीड पोस्ट कर दो. बाय हैंड जाके वो दे सकते हैं. वो लोग से एक्नॉलेजमेंट लेना है.
जी.
छोड़ना नहीं. आप जमा करने के बाद एक्नॉलेजमेंट लिख के दे दो, वो पूछना है. नहीं तो आपको असाइनमेंट पेपर का मार्क्स अपडेट नहीं है तो हाँ आप जमा किया 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 है तो आपका पास एक्नॉलेजमेंट स्लिप है है तो देखते हैं। हाँ देखते हैं, नहीं है तो अरे वो कहाँ जमा किया, किसको दे दिया, मेरे को नहीं दे दिया, ऐसा छोड़ के जाएगा। हाँ इसके लिए सभी का रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होना है। हाँ एक्नॉलेजमेंट स्लिप पेपर सेफ साइड में रखना है। पोस्ट में है तो पोस्टल वाला देता है।
स्टडी मटेरियल
स्टडी मटेरियल के लिए ऊपर एक बाय एक, 1 by 1, डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज।
जी सर।
ओके
सर।
हाँ
सर
कौन बात कर रहा है?
मैं राजू बोल कर
बात कर रहा हूँ सर। मैं
राजू।
हाँ जी राजू बोल रहा हूँ।
हाँ
मैं ये पूछ रहा था सर, असाइनमेंट के लिए क्वेश्चन कब मिलेंगे?
असाइनमेंट का क्वेश्चन पेपर से आपका इग्नो वेबसाइट है ना, इग्नो वेबसाइट में आप असाइनमेंट कॉलम रहता है स्टूडेंट जोन का नीचे। स्टूडेंट जोन में क्लिक किया है तो वो आपको असाइनमेंट कॉलम भी इसमें आता है। उसमें असाइनमेंट में क्लिक किया है तो आपको असाइनमेंट क्वेश्चन पेपर्स मिलता है। उसके बाद प्रोग्राम्स दिखता है, ये कौन सा प्रोग्राम है तो आपका वो प्रोग्राम में क्लिक करना है। कौन सा कोर्सेस का उसमें कोर्सेस निकलता है। उसके बाद आप कौन सा नंबर वाला चाहिए तो वो नंबर वाला ये कोर्स में क्लिक करना है। क्लिक करने के बाद डाउनलोड करना है। कोर्स कोड हर एक जगह में कोर्स कोड रहता है, ये कोर्स कोड याद रहना। आप कौन सा रजिस्ट्रेशन किया है तो वो कोड का क्लिक करना है।
अच्छा सर,
बाद में आपको
मैंने बीए मैथमेटिक्स लिया है और हिस्ट्री। तो ये 8 मतलब कोर्सेस, नंबर ऑफ 8 नंबर कोर्सेस है। तो आपको पूरे 8 सब्जेक्ट्स का मतलब असाइनमेंट जमा करना पड़ेगा मार्च में।
हाँ मार्च महीना में, नहीं तो अप्रैल महीना में, ये बीच में आप कितना कोर्सेस रजिस्ट्रेशन किया है तो उतना कोर्सेस का लिख के देना पड़ेगा।
अच्छा 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 अच्छा, ठीक है सर, ठीक। अच्छा ये सर, ये असाइनमेंट वहाँ में आ जाएंगे। हेलो
हेलो,
हाँ असाइनमेंट के क्वेश्चन जो है कब तक आ जाएंगे साइट पे?
अभी अवेलेबल है, अभी अवेलेबल है। कुछ कोर्सेस का अवेलेबल है, कुछ कोर्सेस का अवेलेबल नहीं है।
अच्छा 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 अच्छा, ठीक है सर। थैंक यू।
हेलो सर।
हेलो
सर, जो हम ऑफलाइन सबमिट करते हैं असाइनमेंट, वो उसका एक्नॉलेजमेंट रिसिप्ट कहाँ से लेना पड़ता है? स्टडी सेंटर से ही?
स्टडी सेंटर वाला ये आपका असाइनमेंट लेके आपको असाइनमेंट दे देगा।
अरे सबमिशन की लास्ट डेट क्या होती है सर असाइनमेंट?
31st लास्ट डेट, 31st मार्च लास्ट डेट है।
ओके सर, और एग्जाम कब होते हैं सर?
ये जून महीने में होता है।
ठीक, ओके सर, थैंक यू।
ओके।
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Can we submit the assignment online or offline? And two options are there or only one option?
एक डाउट था सर, अगर सर
मैं सभी को रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा है, आप लोग म्यूट में जाना है, नहीं तो क्या पूछ रहे मालूम नहीं।
हेलो सर।
शशि सर, आपका
सर आप
म्यूट में जाइए। हाँ पूछिए कस्तूरी।
सर जैसे अगर सर केसेस बढ़ेंगे तो सर ट्रैवल नहीं हो पाता, मतलब मैं अमरावती में रहता हूँ, तो ऑनलाइन सबमिट कर सकते क्या हम?
ऑनलाइन में नहीं है, पोस्ट में भेज दो।
ओके सर।
पोस्टल एड्रेस रहता है ना स्टडी सेंटर का, पोस्टल एड्रेस में भेज दो, एक्नॉलेजमेंट स्लिप मिलेगा। रजिस्टर पोस्ट कर दो, नहीं तो स्पीड पोस्ट कर दो।
अगर सर पोस्ट किया तो एक्नॉलेजमेंट रिसिप्ट कौन देगा?
अरे पोस्ट में रजिस्टर कर लिया है तो आपको एक्नॉलेजमेंट देता है ना
ओके
पोस्ट वाला। हाँ वही था बहुत एविडेंस के लिए। चिंता मत करो, ये रजिस्टर पोस्ट कर दो, स्पीड पोस्ट कर दो, कोई भी कोई। ओके ना?
यस
हेलो सर। हेलो।
हाँ दूसरा
हेलो
कोई?
सर। हेलो।
हाँ हेलो हेलो बोलिए।
हेलो सर। हाँ सर, हमें असाइनमेंट शीट्स नहीं मिलेंगे सर?
शीट्स हम लोग देने वाला नहीं है, लेने वाला नहीं है। सिर्फ आप पेपर्स नहीं तो रूल बुक खरीद करना पड़ेगा बुक स्टॉल में। बाद में आप असाइनमेंट क्वेश्चन पेपर हमारा इग्नो वेबसाइट से डाउनलोड करना है। हाँ इग्नो वेबसाइट www.igno.ac.in हमारा वेबसाइट है। ये वेबसाइट से आप खोलने के बाद ये होम पेज निकलता है। निकलने के बाद ये उसमें एक स्टूडेंट जोन रहता है, उसमें क्लिक करने के बाद आपको असाइनमेंट कॉलम भी आता है। उसमें क्लिक करने के बाद आपको कौन सा प्रोग्राम है तो वो प्रोग्राम सेलेक्ट करना है, उसमें क्लिक करना है। बाद में आपको कोर्स आता है, कौन सा रजिस्ट्रेशन कर लिया है तो वो कोर्सेज का क्लिक किया है तो आपको क्वेश्चन पेपर डाउनलोड होता है। डाउनलोड होने के बाद प्रिंट ले लो। हाँ वो पेपर का असाइनमेंट प्रिपेयर करो। करने के बाद ये असाइनमेंट के साथ में ये क्वेश्चन पेपर भी जोड़ना है। हर एक असाइनमेंट का हर एक क्वेश्चन पेपर जोड़ना है। जोड़ के स्पाइरल करके हाँ स्टडी सेंटर में पोस्ट में भेज दो, नहीं तो बाय पर्सन जाके भेज दो। हाँ 31st March is the last date.
So for each
ठीक
and
है?
every subject, we have to make a different file.
Yes, yes.
Okay, along with
Each
attachment.
and every yes, each and every course you need to tag on a separate folder or separate spiral binding. Then you need to submit online or offline, whatever it is. आप पोस्ट में जाके पोस्ट कर सकते हैं, नहीं तो स्टडी सेंटर में जाके जमा कर सकते हैं। एक्नॉलेजमेंट स्लिप दे देगा, पोस्टर वाला दे देगा, नहीं तो ये स्टडी सेंटर वाला दे देगा।
Okay, so sir, it is
ठीक है।
necessary to do spiral binding, or we can attach it to a file, like separate files.
So whatever it is available, then you need to follow.
Okay, sir.
So which mode you want, then you can follow spiral or attachment, whatever it is.
Okay, okay. So, and about the re-registration which you said, so the link is open now?
So the link is not open. The link was already open, but the link is for January 21 बैच स्टूडेंट्स के लिए अभी लिंक ओपन है। ये आपको अप्रैल महीना में आपको लिए ओपन हो जाएगा, जुलाई सेशन के लिए ओपन हो जाएगा। अभी ओपन है ये वाला जनवरी बैच के लिए, जनवरी बैच के लिए अभी ओपन है रजिस्ट्रेशन। 15 जनवरी लास्ट डेट है। वो आपके लिए नहीं है, ये जनवरी बैच के लिए, जनवरी बैच के लिए है। अभी जुलाई बैच के लिए अप्रैल महीना में चालू होगा।
Okay, sir. Okay. So we get a mail about it, like we'll be notified about it.
Each and every aspect is available in our IGNO website, that is www.igno.ac.in. Each and every column, each and every notification comes through website only, not other.
Okay, sir.
Everything is available in our IGNO website, www.igno.ac.in. That is the mail ID, that is the website. You need to open. Everything is available. Registration available. Online question paper available. Offline question paper, assignment का question paper available. Online का application available. टर्म एंड एग्जाम का सभी अवेलेबल रहता है। आपका बैच कब है, कब से कब जमा करना है, कब से कब रजिस्ट्रेशन करना है, वो डेट्स आपको मालूम होना है। आपको स्टडी सेंटर से इंटरेक्ट होता है तो वो लोग बता देगा, नहीं तो ये रीजनल सेंटर में इंटरेक्ट हो गए तो मेल भेज दिए, आपका क्या डाउट है तो वो डाउट लिख के भेज दो rcnagpur@igno.ac.in दैट इज मेल आईडी RC Nagpur लिख लो rcnagpur@igno.ac.in 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 that is
Yes,
mail
it's
ID
mentioned in chat box. It's mentioned in chat box.
you can send at any time.
Okay, sir. Thank
Any query. You can send it, then we will give the reply.
you. Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. So, at the 4 o'clock, we have another induction meeting. So, we try to conclude. All the doubts are clarified. So, I would like to propose vote of thanks on behalf of Regional Center and my own behalf of. Then I am very much thankful to all the learners for giving wonderful opportunity to deliver induction meeting. So I am very much thankful to our Regional Director, Dr. P. Swarup sir, and my colleague, Dr. Shashi Kumar, and my Regional Center staff, Rajesh and Deshpande and others, and Study Center staff also. So I am thankful to each and every participant and each and every learner. Thank you. So session is over. Thank you very much. If you have any doubts, please send one mail to us. Then we will try to give the reply within 1 or 2 days. Okay, thank you.
So can we leave?